Attention! These videos are made for educational purposes only. Hazardous chemicals, which are highly toxic and may be dangerous to your health, are used in some of these experiments. Please do not try these experiments at home. These experiments are to be performed only under professional guidance. I do not take any responsibility for the damage done to persons and property caused by the recreation of these experiments.
We are going to see the effect of it on few compounds. So let's begin. The safety gear includes chemistry lab apron, chemical gloves and safety goggles. We are going to see the effect of heat on calcium carbonate, ferrous sulfate, copper sulfate, pentahydrate and cobaltous chloride. So let's start. I have taken calcium carbonate in the test tube and see how it reacts. So see, it forms calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas is given out.
The calcium carbonate on strong heating gives calcium oxide and carbon dioxide, and the chemical equation is CaCO3 gives CaO plus CO2.
In the next experiment, we will see the effect of heat on ferrous sulfate. Ferrous sulfate is FeSO4 7H2O. We need to heat on the upper part of the flame because that is the hottest part of the flame.
Green colored ferrous sulfate, when heated, loses its water molecules and turns into white color. When heated strongly, it further decomposes into brown colored ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide gases. And the chemical equation is FeSO4.7H2O on heating gives FeSO4 plus 7H2O. 2FeSO4 on heating gives Fe2O3, which is brown colored ferric oxide plus SO2 plus SO3.
Now we will see the effect of heat on copper sulfate pentahydrate. The blue color copper sulfate turns into white in color because due to the loss of water molecules. See, it has already turned white. You can see the water droplets on the upper parts of the test tube.
And the chemical equation is CuSO4.5H2O on heating gives CuSO4, which is white color compound, plus 5H2O.
The next is very nice to see. We are heating cobalt chloride, which is pink in color. Once we heat, it turns into blue in color. See. Because cobalt chloride anhydrous is blue in color.
And the chemical equation is COCl2.6H2O on heating gives COCl2 plus 6H2O. When we add water to anhydrous salt, it regains its original color of its hydrated form. Here we are adding water to cobalt chloride, it turns into pink from blue.
The ferrous sulfate, we are adding water to it, it turns into green. We add water, anhydrous copper, it turns into blue in color. Nice experiment to see.
Now we will see the effect of heat on sublimates like ammonium chloride and iodine.
We will see the effect of heat on ammonium chloride. We started sublimating and it is condensing on the upper parts of the test tube. See, when heated, it is not turning into liquid. From solid, it is directly changing to gaseous state and sublimes on the cooler sides of the test tubes. You can see that.
The reaction is as follows. Ammonium chloride on heating sublimes into ammonia and hydrogen chloride, which forms the dense white fumes. And the chemical equation is NH4Cl on heating gives NH3 plus HCl.
The effect of heat on iodine. See, the iodine vapors are coming out. Violet color iodine vapors.
Iodine is also a sublimate. It sublimes and condenses on the upper parts of the test tube. And the chemical equation is I2 solid on heating gives I2 as gas. Now we will see the effect of heat on nitrates.
When sodium nitrate is heated, it forms sodium nitrate and oxygen gas is given out. Sodium nitrate turns into liquid. When heated, And again, if we keep it for some time, it turns into solid.
And the chemical equation is NaNO3 on heating gives NaNO2 plus O2.
We are going to see the effect of heat on lead nitrate. When lead nitrate is heated, listen to the noise, it crackles. The lead nitrate turns into lead oxide and brown color nitrogen dioxide gas is given out along with oxygen.
The reaction is as lead nitrate on heating gives lead oxide plus nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen. And the chemical equation is 2PbNO3 whole twice gives 2PbO plus 4NO2 plus O2. Hope you have enjoyed this video. More videos to follow.